Hello there, this is Farhana and welcome back to my channel. This is Microsoft Power Automate tutorials, and today I am going to give you the overview of what is Microsoft Flow Power Automate, what we can do with Microsoft Power Automate, features of Power Automate, and finally a quick tour to Microsoft Power Automate. Microsoft Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow, is a cloud-based automation platform that helps you automate repetitive tasks and streamline business processes. It's part of the Microsoft Power Platform, which also includes Power Apps and Power BI. What can you do with Microsoft Power Automate? With Power Automate, you can automate repetitive tasks, save time by automating routine tasks like data entry, file synchronization, and email notifications, integrate with other apps and services, connect to a wide range of Microsoft and third-party applications to create seamless workflows, streamline business processes, improve efficiency by automating complex business processes across your organization, collect and process data, automatically gather data from various sources and process it according to your needs. Features of Power Automate. Some key features include Cloud Flows, automate tasks and processes in the cloud. Desktop Flows, use Robotic Process Automation, RPA, to automate tasks on your desktop. AI Builder, integrate AI capabilities to enhance your workflows. Templates, start quickly with pre-built templates for common scenarios. Connectors, access over 1,000 connectors to integrate with various apps and services. Process Mining, discover and optimize business processes with data-driven insights. A tour of Microsoft Power Automate. When you first log into Power Automate, you'll see the home page with options to create new flows, explore templates, and learn more about the platform. The left navigation pane helps you access different sections like Home, your starting point for creating and managing flows. Create, build new flows using templates or from scratch. Templates, browse and use pre-built templates. My Flows, view and manage your existing flows. Learn, access tutorials and documentation to get the most out of Power Automate. Power Automate is designed to be user-friendly, even for those without a technical background, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to automate and optimize their workflows. Using Microsoft Power Automate can significantly boost your productivity by automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of it. 1. Start with templates. Power Automate offers a wide range of pre-built templates for common tasks like sending notifications, syncing files, and managing approvals. These templates can save you time and help you get started quickly too. Automate routine tasks. Identify repetitive tasks that take up a lot of your time, such as data entry, email responses, or file organization. Create flows to automate these tasks, freeing up your time for more important work. 3. Use triggers and actions. Set up triggers to start your flows automatically based on specific events, like receiving an email or updating a file. Combine these with actions to perform tasks like sending notifications, updating databases, or creating records. 4. Integrate with other apps. Power Automate can connect with over 1,000 apps and services, including Microsoft 365, Salesforce, and Google Drive. Use these integrations to create seamless workflows across different platforms. 5. Leverage AI Builder. Incorporate AI capabilities into your flows to enhance productivity. For example, use AI Builder to extract data from documents, analyze sentiment in emails, or predict outcomes based on historical data. 6. Monitor and optimize flows. Regularly review your flows to ensure they are running efficiently. Use the analytics and monitoring tools in Power Automate to identify bottlenecks and optimize your workflows. 7. Collaborate with teams. Share your flows with colleagues and collaborate on creating and managing workflows. This can help ensure that everyone is on the same page and can contribute to improving processes. 8. Learn and explore. Take advantage of the learning resources available, such as tutorials, documentation, and community forums. Continuously exploring new features and best practices can help you discover more ways to enhance productivity. By implementing these strategies, you can make the most of Power Automate and significantly improve your productivity. If you have a specific task in mind that you'd like to automate, feel free to share it, and I can help you get started.